Ever wondered what makes modern computers so fast? It often comes down to the solid-state drive, or SSD. Today we're diving deep into how this technology actually works. An SSD is a massive leap from the older mechanical hard disk drive, or HDD. Its main advantage? Blazing fast speed and superior reliability, thanks to having no moving parts. To understand the SSD, we need to look at its core components: the NAND flash memory, which stores the data, and the controller, which manages everything. The actual storage happens in the NAND flash memory. Think of it as an array of millions of tiny electronic cells, each capable of holding data even without power. The controller is the brain of the SSD. It handles the interface with your computer, manages data flow, and ensures the memory cells are used efficiently. Now, let's zoom in on the NAND cell itself. This is where the magic of non-volatile storage happens. The basic unit is a floating gate transistor. By trapping or releasing electrons on a floating gate, the transistor changes its electrical state, which represents a quote 1 or 0 of binary data. SSDs use different methods to store data, known as SLC, MLC, TLC, and QLC, which determine how many bits are stored per cell. This impacts cost, speed, and endurance. The controller is crucial for translating your computer's requests into physical operations on the NAND memory. It orchestrates everything. One of its most important jobs is wear leveling. Since NAND cells degrade after repeated writing, the controller constantly shifts data to ensure all cells are used evenly, extending the life of the drive. SSDs are also equipped with error correction code, or ECC, managed by the controller. This technology detects and corrects minor errors to ensure data integrity. The data writing process is more complex than simply flipping a switch. Data must be written in pages, but can only be erased in much larger blocks. The need to erase large blocks to write small pages creates an interesting challenge the controller must manage to prevent performance degradation. This is where garbage collection comes in. The controller actively cleans up partially filled blocks by moving valid data to new blocks and erasing the old ones in the background. Reading data is lightning fast because the controller knows the exact physical location of every piece of data and can access it instantly without any mechanical delay. SSDs are continually evolving, getting faster, denser, and smarter. They are crucial to modern computing and will continue to drive innovation in data storage for years to come.